welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to unlock in AT&T phone for any carrier. For that you need to get your IMEI number. For that, go to your phone app and then enter star and then enter star #06 and just press on call, and you will see your EMI, and there you will see your EMI, and there you will see your IMEI number. And after that, copy your, and after you get your IMEI number, go to your browser, and then you need to search for att.com/device unlock, and after that you need to select your brand, and then you need to enter everything. And after you give all the information, you will get an email to confirm within 24 hours. And after that you must click the link inside to confirm your request. To finalize the unlock, once approved, usually within 48 hours, you will receive final instruction and then go on. And on iPhone, it usually unlocks automatically over the air. You may need to insert a non-AT&T SIM card and restart your phone. And that is how you unlock your AT&T phone for any carrier. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.